Okay, good morning, everybody. We have made it to Friday. It's Friday, July 25th, 2025. Welcome to the live trading room. Hydrall here. Here's yesterday's charts. Boy, lots of price movement yesterday. Afternoon had some good opportunities. Here's the trades that we took yesterday, and we had that nice swing high in the morning, had a little bit of sell off. We just about to get into a trade there and it reversed. So we held on, took that reversal for plus 16. Did have one negative trade yesterday. Should have gotten into this put trade number two, much earlier than I did, but got into trade three for plus 14. And then took another trade, trade four plus 13. And then I had one uh, right just a minute after the session ended for plus 14. So ended up with five trades for plus 24 yesterday. Having a great week this week, and I hope you guys are too. We've SPY finished at down at 634.25, ended up down about where it started, and it's currently sitting at 635.23. So no gap play this morning. Price is right in the middle of yesterday's range. So we'll move up to this morning. Let me get rid of something here. And I am trading, excuse me, there's a volume, pre-market volume is 852,000, little low. We like to see, a million or above, but that doesn't really matter all that much once we get into the session. And I'm likely starting at the 634 on the call side and 637 on the put side. We'll see when we get this pre-market volume in if it changes anything, but that is about where I will start. And of course, trading today's expiration. And with that, I want to say good morning to Keith and welcome him back. We missed you yesterday, buddy.
Yeah, miss you all too. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, said goodbye to a friend of mine yesterday, so that was it was good time though. And I've got my daughter and son-in-law and granddaughter here with me yesterday, today, and through tomorrow. So having fun
Nice.
there.
Nice.
We had a number of announcements out at 8:30 this morning, durable goods orders, and there were four of those reports. They're sort of mixed. Some were a little better than anticipated, some a little worse than anticipated. Uh, anyway, so we'll see where that goes there. No other announcements today, though, that we would expect to move anything. So there may or may not be a pop at the top today. I will be trading next Thursday's expiration, the 31st of July. Trying to maybe do more of the weekly one that has a little bit more volume on it. Been noticing the last couple weeks that they're getting low volume a lot of times on the option. So anyway, moving to next Thursdays. And I think that's about all I have here at the moment.
That's it, huh?
Yep.
Okay. Not a heck of a lot going on this morning.
Well, it even not trading yesterday, it's been a good week for me too, also.
Good. Good. Love to hear it. Okay, we've got about 45 seconds. And as I say every single morning ad nauseum, let's have set up your charts so there's 20 cents between each of the hash marks on the right side of each of your charts. So we're looking at the same size candles from day to day. Very important, lest we get fooled by not having those basically the same every day. Okay, coming up on 15 seconds. There it is. Let's make it a good end of the week this week. There's 10 seconds. Stand by. Here we go in five, four, three, two, one. There's the bell. We are in. And waiting for the broader markets to report fully, waiting on NAS to report. Got the Dow is up by 94. NAS is up by 1.5. S&P is up by 8, 9 now. So starting positive, just slightly positive, not a huge amount. All right, price really starting out kind of slow this morning. Of course, we typically will not trade the first 5 minutes, unless there's a breakout and a long trend. Um, but doesn't look like that's happening, at least not yet. So both our MACDs are in the put bias position. The 1 minute MACD just crossed under. There, and our 5 minute is just going, it's pointing up now.
Yeah, both the 1 minute and the 5 minute MACD are just pretty much right around center line.
Mm-hmm. So real tight little range here that we're trading in. I mean, the price is ranging in. Haven't done any trades yet.
Just looking at my trades this week, I'm up about $2 this week on just
Nice.
on just 3 days of trading so far.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and I'm up just slightly more than that, like 210.
Yeah, great, great.
Yeah, it's been a good week. I'm very pleased.
Yeah, a number of these Monday and Tuesday, we had to wait a while for things to start moving a bit. It
Yeah.
was really slow at the beginning.
If you guys are anyone was trading yesterday afternoon, a lot of good opportunity yesterday afternoon. Some long trends setting up, breakouts and trends setting up in the afternoon. Goes price back up to VWAP, pressing through VWAP. Price trying to move up a little higher. It's above VWAP right now. Market maker just trying to find where the traders are, where the retail traders are.
They're at the beach this week, I think.
Yeah, I think so. I think school starts next week here.
Oh boy.
I can believe that. I mean, it just seems like it gets earlier every year.
July still.
Yeah,
That's crazy.
it is crazy.
That had doji on that last candle.
Yeah.
I did put a pseudo demand zone at the bottom of that first 5 minute candle.
Okay. We will.
Normally, I like to see
Okay.
a more body on the candle, but we'll take what we get at the moment.
Yeah. There we go. All right, got both our MACDs are now in the call bias position. So let's see. I'll be at the 634 on the call side and probably the 636 on the put side.
Good volume on the first five candles.
Yeah, we got Dow's up 106 now, Nas up 333, S&P up 10. Price moving up here slowly. 2,369,000 traded on the underlying asset.
I was looking at that 634 also, but given that doji and it looks like it's finding some resistance going up further, I'll pass on that for now.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Price coming back down to VWAP. Market maker tried to get something going on the top side, just ran out of traders. Yeah, this is kind of what we've seen all week is this just kind of sloppy open, not a lot of price movement until we hit that breakout.
You see NASDAQ has moved negative.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Huh. Okay. That sound you heard was just a covered call filling
Yeah.
finally after 2 days.
Going nowhere fast here.
I know.
get to go turn in my woodworking projects at the county fair this afternoon. So
Ah,
excited about that. I'll be back in a minute, Tim.
okay. All right, well, we're still in a pretty tight little pattern here.
Yeah, I see it's moved a lot since I stepped away.
Yeah, yeah, it's just going crazy. Up to 3,635,000 on the underlying. Dow's up 69, it's up 70, Nas up 1.5 points, S&P up 10.5. And we're pretty much stuck in a range here.
What you got there?
Two steps up, two steps back. Got some growing volume on this minute. Market maker trying to get something moving here. Oh, come on, price. Let's break out here. Most of our minutes at or above 100,000.
Yeah, reasonable volume, just not moving much in price.
Yeah. Come on, break out. Break out. Oh, crazy Ivan there. That was for 2 seconds. Boy, Keith, it's just flat as a pancake.
It certainly is. At some point in time, we're going to get a pullback with, so many every day a new high,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I believe it's coming.
which means I don't want to really be stuck in a call overnight either,
Mm-mm.
particularly over the weekend.
Starting to get a little bit of a breakout here. All right, I'm going to move to the 635 on the call side. I'm going to move down from the 634. I like my deltas in that 60 to 70 range.
I think I'm going to stay at the 34, 634.
Mm-hmm.
I'm trading out further in expiration. Hmm. We really did have a place we could have put a supply zone in there on the second and third 5-minute candles,
Yeah,
but it isn't. It's almost right on top of the pseudo demand zone we put in.
yeah. I think I'm going to wait a little longer just because it is right on top of the other one. See, we don't have anything for the pop, do we, Keith?
No,
Okay.
was given as slow as it is, maybe it'll use that excuse to do something.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping.
All three major indices are back positive. Dow's up 54, Nasdaq's up 37, S&P's up 12. 5.5 million underlying traded. Then 3 minutes from a pop if there's going to be one. We've had some third couple thin candles on those last two.
Boy, no kidding. Price is trying to rise, just can't quite get some feet under it.
Yeah, that 1 minute MACD though is turning back down, going down
Yeah.
with the obviously the 1 minute candle just took a dive. Or the VWAP reminds me today of sort of the game kick the can when you're a kid. If you were it, you didn't want to get too far from that can. The price just doesn't want to vary much from VWAP this morning.
uh, well, we're a minute and a half away from pop at the top if we get one.
Yeah, just no breakouts this morning yet to trade.
Mm-mm.
That's all right. Sometimes the best trade is no trade at all.
Yeah, well, I think that's certainly been the case this morning. All right, here comes the pop. Boom.
Wow, look at takeoff.
Yeah, baby.
Well, given this morning, I'm certainly sorry I missed yesterday's trading.
Yeah. So really nothing on that pop. A little bit higher volume, reached 100,000, but really didn't move much in terms of price.
No.
So we know it won't stay like this forever, but this is definitely a slow start. Dow's just gone negative, down 7 now. Now still up 45, S&P up 10, almost 11. At 6,294,000 traded on the underlying.
I've got someone here who wants to say hi.
Okay.
Say hi, everybody.
Oh,
This
hey
is
there.
this is Tristan.
Hey, Tristan.
He said hi to you. Can you wave hi to him? Wave hi to him.
Hi, Tristan.
Yeah. You want to go there? Okay. All right. Enough of your fame. Yeah. Thank you.
Cute. Future trader.
Yep. Yep. Oh, did you draw a new supply zone in there to
Oh,
toggle?
nope. I think I will.
I know you've been busy doing other stuff, but
Yeah, right.
wow.
Yeah, I'll get a supply zone in here.
But given all the rain and hot weather we've had, I think my grass is growing faster than the tick is moving today. All right. This will be
Okay, keep an eye on the 636 on the put side. 636 strike put.
same here.
And back it goes.
Ivan again. There's no takers on it this morning.
No, no, and that's exactly what's going on is just lack of traders, lack of retail traders this morning.
Yeah.
Everyone's sitting on the sideline, waiting for someone else to do something. Okay.
Just moving back over to the 634 on the call side when it said nope.
Yep.
Huh.
Dow's now down 36.
Oh, yeah.
Nas up 32. S&P's up 8. Got some volume on this minute. Just the market maker really trying to get something going here.
Might have a real demand zone if it stays in this range
Mm-hmm.
next couple minutes.
I can't remember, Keith. Have you ever had a day where we haven't made a trade?
Um, Not that I recall. I mean, I know there have been a couple times where we've gotten into a trade and it's been a loss, and that's been our only trade of the day.
Yeah.
But even that's been rare, very rare.
Yeah.
It's been probably at least 9 months since we've had one like that.
Mhm. Okay. I'm going to move down this demand zone.
Yep. So we have a real supply and a real demand zone now.
Yeah. There we go. All right. We head back over to the call side. Yeah, I may go to the 634 on the call side.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at.
Pick up some extra delta.
It's going to get a cross above the supply zone.
Let's see.
I'm going to go ahead and try to get in on this.
Okay. 634 on the call side, folks. Stand by.
Yep, I'm in at 483.
All right. I'm go ahead and get into it. In at 190.
I'm just going to try to take 10 cents on this if I can get it.
34.
Come on, get on up there. Nah, come on, get up there. That's not up.
No, it's not up.
Come on, get on up there.
Let's bounce off of VWAP now.
That's it. Get some green going there. That's it. There we go. Keep going up. That's it.
Breakthrough. Needed to break through the supply zone.
Come on, get on up, get on up. Getting lower volume again, too.
Yeah, it's not helping. There you go. Come on up.
That's it. Get on up there.
Now break out.
Yeah, come on. Come on, now get back up there.
Well, if you've just joined us, we're in a call trade at the 634 on the call side.
Just hasn't been moving much anywhere this morning.
Mm-mm.
Oh, come on. Get back up there.
Climb back through BWAP.
Like we can move the demand or supply zone up.
Mm-hmm. And there we go. Let's put that up to there. Wait, that, move it up to here. There we go. Yeah, that's about right. We do have a major point of resistance up here around 635.58.
All right, there we go. Come on up.
Come on, push on up. Push on up.
Come on,
Yeah.
you can do it.
You just know one of these times it's going to break out.
Yeah. And hopefully it'll break out the top side before it breaks down on the bottom side.
Yeah. Boy, it's just agonizingly slow. All right, we are an hour in to the market. They've got 9,437,000 traded on the underlying. Head on up there. Dow's up 53, Nas up 38, S&P up 12. And a doji there on that last candle.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Just in some real short consolidation right now.
If you're new, most of our trades are just a minute or two, maybe 3 minutes long. This has been much longer than we typically are in a trade on the average.
Yeah. There we go. Keep coming.
There we go.
Oh,
Out for 10 cents.
and stand by to taking profit now out at 204. 190 to 204. Knew it was going to break out at some point. Just waiting for that volume to come in, which it did.
Yeah.
That was painful.
Boy, it was, wasn't it?
I'm getting too old for this.
I hear you, Loretta. Market maker just got tired of waiting.
I was just about at that time considering closing just for a break even.
Yep. Yep.
And it jumped up.
So what we're in, boy, in that for almost 30 minutes. That's a long trade. So Dow's up 95 now, Nas up 43, S&P's up 15. We've got 10,566,000 traded on the underlying. Finally got a breakout. And I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. And just sitting in consolidation up here.
Yeah. Tim, I gotta run early today.
Okay.
Hate to leave all this excitement, but
Yeah, how can you?
anyway, but have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll be back on Monday.
We'll see you. Have a great weekend.
Okay, thanks, everybody. Bye.
And back to real slow movement. Dow's up 102 now. Nas up 37. S&P up 14. I'm going to keep an eye on the 635 on the call side. 635 strike call. All right. Price kind of meandering upwards. Just barely keeping up with time decay at this point. We're back into some consolidation. Price coming down. A little bit of a sell-off going on. We got 12,296,000 traded on the underlying. Somewhat slow. Dow is still up 106, Nas up 45, S&P's up 16. The possible thin supply zone forming at the top of these last two 5-minute candles if it stays. Okay, we kept it. Let's duplicate that. We'll bring that up to here. And we'll duplicate the price level. Bring that up to here. Like so. We'll turn this old one gray, or the previous one gray, as it is a minor zone now. Price dipping down. Don't think this will last. Don't think it's a direction turn. And just a note, if you have been with us this week on a trial this week, this is coming to the end of your trial and you would like to join us, you can just drop me a note at tim@timthetrader.com and I will get you signed up. That's tim@timthetrader.com. As we come to the end of our week here. So it looks like we're just going to end up with one trade today and probably lucky to have it. So ended up the week up nicely. Didn't quite get to 2,500, but pretty close, like about 2,300. So it's been a good week. Okay, we're at the top of the hour. That's going to do it for me for this week. Thank you all for supporting the room. I really appreciate it. If it weren't for you, I wouldn't be here. So I'm glad. I hope you all have a safe, cool, and blessed weekend this weekend. And I will see you all Monday morning at 9:15. Have a great weekend, folks.
Thank you, Tim.
Thank you.